Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the English Literature video classes. Now today we are going to do the worksheet part of the English Literature, right? Term 1 ka chapter 5 worksheet, which is also going to be your revision. Since we have completed the textbook, chapters and the question answers and the exercises, we will be doing the term 1 ka chapter number 5 worksheet, right? So the pattern of the worksheet you must have been well accustomed now. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कैसा है worksheet का pattern. We have 2 unseen passages in that and 2 seen passages and the questions related to the passages, right? So we have to first read the passage and then find out the questions and answers from the questions are given. We have to find the answers of the questions from the passage, right? So let's do the passages of chapter number 5, people who help us. Okay. Now, the gardener does not love to talk. He makes me keep the gravel walk. And when he put his tools away, he locks the door and takes the key. So what is there in this passage? The gardener, you remember the poem that we have done, the gardener wala poem? It's about the same. So the poem is saying that the gardener does not love to talk. So the author is saying that the gardener does not loves to talk, right? He makes me keep the gravel walk. Gravel is the path made of stone. So what is the gardener doing? The gardener is making the author take care of the path made with gravel. And when he puts his tools away, he locks the door and takes the key. So what he does after his work is finished, he puts away his tools and then he locks the door where he keeps the tools and he takes the key with him. Then what is there? Away behind the currant row where no one else but cook may go. Now what is currant? Currant is a fruit. You remember we eat black currant ice cream, isn't it? So similarly it is a fruit. Away behind the currant row, the row of currant fruit, right? Then where no one else but cook may go. So behind the currant row only cook can go. Why? Because he has to make dishes and cook food, so he can pick up the currant from the garden. Far in the plots I see him dig. Now what is the plots? It is the area in the garden, the area having soils where the gardener will be planting the flowers and fruits. So why is he digging? What does the author sees? The author see him dig the plots. Old and serious, brown and big. So how is he? How does he looks? What are the words that are describing the gardener? See, gardener is the noun. So the words that describe the gardener will be adjective, right? So the words that describe the gardener are old and serious, brown and big. So the gardener is old and he is very serious, he never smiles, and he is brown in color and very big in look. He looks very big, he's tall, right? Okay, now let's do the questions. What does the gardener does not love? See, the answer is here. The gardener does not love to talk, right? So what is the answer? We will write over here. The gardener does not love to talk, right? Okay, now where is he digging? Where is the gardener digging? The gardener is digging in the garden. What is he digging? He is digging a plot in the garden. So where is he digging? The or else we can write here, he is digging far in plots in the garden. Isn't it? Because a gardener works in the garden, so he will be digging in the garden itself, right? Now turn the page. Question number 5. Describe the gardener from the poem. So how we will describe the gardener from the poem? We know that the gardener is old and serious, brown and big, and he does not loves to talk to anybody, right? So how we will describe the gardener? We will write the gardener is old and serious, brown and big. And what else? And he does not love to talk, right? He always keeps silent. Now, next question number 4. What is it? Find antonyms of. So, what is the antonyms of ahead? Ahead is samne. So, antonyms of ahead will be, look, ahead का opposite is behind, right? Ahead is सामने, so behind is पीछे. So we write antonyms of ahead is behind. Done? Now, next is antonyms of small. Antonym is opposite. So opposite of small is big. Right? Okay. Now question number 5 is find the adjective in the passage. Adjective is what? Adjective is a describing word that describes the noun. So what is the word? What is the noun in the passage? Gardener is the noun, right? So the word that describes the gardener will be adjective. So what is the adjective? Adjective will be old and serious, brown and big, right? These are the words that describes the gardener, isn't it? So these are the adjectives. Now number 6. What is it? Arrange the jumble words. That is, all the letters are in the haphazard manner. आगे पीछे है सारे letters. आपको उनको arrange करके proper word बनाना है, right? So what are the words over here? G, D, E, R. So what can it be? क्या बन सकता है इससे? It can become a gardener, right? See, Gardener, gardener. So we write here gardener. B में what is it? This letters, what can it form? It can form serious. See, ये यहाँ पे serious के कौन कौन से letters हैं और यहाँ पे कौन कौन से letters हैं. So the letters are similar, right? SERIOUS. We have all these letters here. SERIOUS. Serious, isn't it? So we can write over here SERIOUS. Serious. Done? Okay. Now find the rhyming words from the passage. Talk and dig. Talk and dig का rhyming words क्या होगा from the passage? Passage पढ़ा था ना हमने in the first line itself. See, talk, walk, isn't it? Talk, walk, rhyming words. Then dig, big, rhyming words, right? So what can be the rhyming word for talk? Rhyming word for talk is walk. And the rhyming word for dig is big. What are rhyming words? The words that sound similar, right? Now complete the lines. We have to complete the line from the passage. Away behind, see what is it? Away behind the current row where no one else but cook may go. So we have to write this, all the 4 lines over here. All the 4 lines, right? All these 4 lines, away behind the current row where no one else but cook may go. Far in the plots I see him dig, old and serious, brown and big. So we should write over here. What are we going to write? Away behind the current row. Then what is it? See, you have to look and write. आपको देखकर ही लिखना है, right? So what is it? Where no one else but cook may go. So we'll write where no one else but cook may go, right? Then what is it? Far in the plots I see him dig. Right? So we write here, far in the plots I see him dig. Now the last line is, old and serious, brown and big. Right? So this is how we finish the first unseen passage. So we put the date over here. What is the date? 24/7/20.